Welcome back to the deep dive. So, a lot of you sent us sources reviewing a platform called Axiom.trade.
Right.
And on paper, I mean, it sounds pretty impressive, an all-in-one platform for tracking crypto, trading, earning rewards.
All the buzzwords. But our mission today is to look past that slick website. We're going to unpack the 5 biggest structural concerns that the source material raised.
So we're looking for those classic warning signs.
Exactly. The kind of signs that even someone new to crypto really needs to be able to spot.
Okay, let's jump right in with what seems to be the biggest concern: accountability. Or, I guess, the complete lack of it.
Yeah, this is a foundational issue. The sources are very clear. There is zero disclosure about who owns or runs the company.
So no founders listed, no company name.
Nothing. And in the financial space, especially crypto, that level of anonymity is the ultimate red flag.
And the timeline here is interesting, too. The site was registered privately in December 2024.
And it was already updated in November 2025. That shows they can move fast, but hiding the leadership, it just strips away all legal accountability. That's textbook for these MLM-style recruitment schemes.
Right. And speaking of structure, if there's no real trading going on, what are they actually selling? The sources say there are no retailable products.
And that's key. Promoters are basically just selling access to Axiom itself.
So the only action is just recruiting more people.
Exactly. And if the only thing driving revenue is bringing in new people, your entire system depends on exponential growth. That's the definition of an unsustainable pyramid model.
And since there's no product, they have to sell a promise. What kind of promise is Axiom making to get people to hand over their Solana?
Well, they're claiming up to 15% yearly ROI
15%.
in one of the most volatile assets out there. It's a huge promise. And here's the core issue. Axiom gives zero, and I mean zero, verifiable proof of how they generate that income.
No trading records, no audits.
Nothing. There's no evidence at all to suggest they have a mechanism that can safely deliver those kinds of returns.
The compensation plan seems to really back that up too. It's entirely focused on recruitment.
Oh, completely.
They offer ROI matching across 3 levels, and it's a massive 30% on level 1.
Right, and then it drops to 3% and 2% on the next levels. That structure is heavily weighted to incentivize bringing in the biggest, freshest checks right away.
So it's all about recruitment, not trading skill.
Precisely.
But couldn't someone argue that this is just, a very aggressive form of affiliate marketing?
Not really. Not when you pair it with the lack of verifiable income. In legitimate affiliate marketing, you're selling a real product.
Okay.
Here, you're being paid a percentage of the investment from the person you recruited. That is exactly how pure Ponzi structures are monetized.
And then there's one final, just confusing element, this thing called Axiom points.
Ah, yes, the mystery points.
They're mentioned, but their value, their purpose,
Yeah.
it's never explained.
And this is so critical. Opaque internal currencies like this are often used in these schemes to create a sort of synthetic feeling of value.
To make it feel like you're earning something.
Exactly. You accumulate points, but you have no idea what their real cash-out value is. It's just a mechanism to obscure the reality of your returns, or lack thereof.
So when you synthesize these 5 points, the hidden leadership, recruitment dependency, no verifiable revenue,
The confusing compensation and these opaque internal points.
the conclusion from the source material seems kind of inescapable, doesn't it?
It does. You're looking at all the classic signs of an MLM-style crypto Ponzi scheme. It's designed to collapse the second new money stops flowing in.
A necessary warning for sure. What's really striking, considering the website was just updated in November 2025, is how slick and modern the tech can look, while the underlying scam is ancient.
The same old playbook.
Exactly. The fundamental warnings, hidden owners, no product, they're still there. And that speed of technical evolution is arguably the scheme's most effective weapon. Something for you to think about.